Welcome to Chapter 12. We are looking at milliliters and household conversions. So I'm going to start with 8 teaspoons and convert it into milliliters. So I look at my conversion factor. So first I'm starting with 8 teaspoons. And I have 1 teaspoon equals 5 milliliters. My teaspoon is in the denominator so that I can cross off the units. My units is mLs in the numerator. And then I take 8 times 5. The next we're starting with 60 mLs. And we're changing that to ounces. My conversion factor is 1 ounce is 30 mLs. The 30 mLs has to go in the denominator so that I can cancel my units. 30 goes into 30 once, 30 goes into 60 twice. 2 times 1 is 2, and my units is ounces. 1 times 1 is 1, so it'll be 2 over 1, which is the same as 2. We have 150 pounds, and we'll be doing this a lot. 150 pounds over 1 times 1 pound, 2.2. Oh, sorry, I messed that up. And I knew I messed it up because I couldn't cancel my units. So here I can cancel my units. So now I'm taking, my answer's in kilograms, and I'm taking 2.2 into 150. My decimal's right here, but remember we can't have a decimal here, so we have to move it over 1. When we move it over 1, we move this over 1. So we're actually dividing 1500 by 22. 22 goes into 150, probably about 6 times. 6 times 2. $18 is less than 22, so the 6 is correct. Bring down my 0. I'm going to say probably an 8. Bring down another 0. And my decimal's right here. And 22, so that would be 68. I'm going to round to 68 kilograms. Now we look at that and we say, does that make sense? 150 pound person, roughly if I divide that by 2, I'd get 75. This is close to 75, so yes, it makes sense. If an infant weighs 4 kilograms, what's it in pounds and ounces? So I have 4 kilograms over 1. 1 kilogram is the same as 2.2 pounds. That would be 8.8 pounds. Now we want it in pounds and ounces. So it would be 8 pounds. And we have to multiply our decimal of 8/10 times our equivalent of 1 pound is 16 ounces. Where am I going to write that? I'm going to, I'll use up here. So my decimal is 8/10. One decimal over. So I'm going to round 12.8 is approximately 13 ounces. So it would be about 8 pounds, 13 ounces. A tumor has a diameter of 2 inches. What's it measured in millimeters? So we have 2 inches. 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch. My units cancel and I get 5. All I did was multiply 2 times 2.54, which gives me 5.08. Convert 75 micrograms to milligrams. Micro to milli, we're going that way. So I'm moving my decimal place here 3 places. Milli to micro, 3 places. So right now my decimal's right here. I'm moving it 3 places. We have 200 micrograms. What's our equivalent in milligrams? So we're going from micro to milli. So right now I have 200. My decimal's here. I move it 3 places. And I have to remember the leading 0. We're looking at mLs to liters. mLs to liters. So I'm going to the left. So right now I have 450 with a decimal right here. 1, 2, 3. And I don't need any digits after the 5 because there's no significant digits there. So I can lose that 0, or I can put it there. But I should put my leading 0 in front of the decimal. So we went from 290 to 246 pounds. How many kilograms did she lose? So 290 minus 246. She lost 44 pounds. Our conversion factor is 2.2. Move it 1 place, move it 1 place. So 22 into 44 goes twice. So she lost 20 kilograms. So give those a try right there. You want to hit pause.